got this new channel coming out, Driving with 60BaeGrey. No cap. Driving with 60BaeGrey. No cap.
It's Friday morning. Hey, y'all know who I am, but go ahead, tell us who you are, bro. Hey, I'm Doug, man, just hanging out with 60BaeGrey. No cap, doing that. So, man, I don't even know. Have you seen any of my videos? Yeah, I seen some of your videos. Your sister put me on. Okay. I knew that. I'm just trying to get the fun of that. I saw when you went to had it built. I knew it was coming. Right. I saw you with your nephew, and you were doing the thing, and he was struggling on the camera. Right. But you got him straight. But they got it produced. You got the music, and now you in the whip. Oh my God! Okay. Yeah. So I was gonna do the modification today, but the guy that was supposed to do the work at the dealer, something was going on there, so I had to cancel the appointment. So anyway, but I had to give y'all what y'all need. So I want to give you some content. So what's your name again? Doug, man. Doug? Okay. Hey, he's one of my faithful subscribers. So comment, like, subscribe, and share, man. So now that you're inside the whip, man, what does it feel like? What does it look like? Oh, the seat is hugging me. Okay. It's vibrating through my body. Okay. I feel like I'm about to take off. Okay. This is wonderful. All right. Okay, man. So what we're going to do is I'm going to sit you right there so the people see. And then I'll put the drip right here. You know, that ain't the drip. We're just going to drive around the parking lot. I don't want no problems with the police or security. No problem. I don't want no problems. I want no trouble. I don't want no drama. But, whenever I call it hot boxing, right? When I hotbox the car, it's the residue is all over the place. The residue on the from the brakes gets on the rims, and so. But anyway, man, finally nice to meet you. And man, I'm on YouTube. Y'all like the car? Oh, I love the car. Okay. Man, I can't even figure out how to get out. I won't be like you when I grow up. Oh, I ain't never trying to grow up, player. Cool. He did well, didn't he? He did all right, didn't he? Yeah. Kevin is a Cadillac man. Okay. Caddy. Old school. Okay. Caddy man. Yeah, but the same parent company, GM. That's how we do it. GM. Okay. No, huh? Oh man, well, listen, I really like you, but don't disrespect me. 2023, man. I'm joking, man. I'm joking. My home is 22. That's what I'm asking. So, okay. What color is his though, Kevin? It's that neon yellow. Yeah, that lime green almost. It's yellow, but it's lime. Yeah. I'm just flexing on y'all a little bit, so you can see it's a hard top. Nah, ain't no 4 people. Nah, when you get 60, you lucky if you know that many people. Exactly. This is the 70th anniversary edition, so. Woo. Yep, so. Yeah, man, I'm on YouTube, man. 60BaeGrey, the real drip, man. Tell him, man, I ain't on the YouTube. Yeah, he on the YouTube. Y'all got to check him out. Yeah, check him out from time to time. Yeah, put him on, man. He got some good little stories he got going on as he rides around and lives this life. Yeah. 60Bae, I got the roll back in the building. Okay, player. Somebody got to help me get out of here. Okay, so press the button right there. Mm-hmm. There you go. And then you good shit. Push it out. There you go. Watch your feet on the rail when you get out. Sometimes people drag it. I love it. Keep it right. Woo! That thing right. Okay, Flair. All right. Hey, much love. All right. I can't wait to see you again. Once a week. Okay. I gave you permission. Once a week. Chief. Hey, sir. Yes, sir. 60Bae. You ain't gonna bring this out in the snow, is you? Nah, come on, Flair. Nah, man. Because I'm looking at that grill over here. Nah, man. 2 inches off the ground. I got my daily car isn't a Elantra. Oh, okay. Yeah. This is just your ride around car. Yeah, Yeah, when I'm gonna have some fun, I got 1,100 miles on it, so I got it in July, so I had it for about 3 months. So I'm not trying to put a whole heck of a lot of miles on it. Okay, it's gorgeous, man. Thank you. Hey, man, put them on to the YouTube channel, man. Pull out the phone and then have the type it on 60BaeGrey. So it's 60 because I'm 62. Bae because I've been married for 40 years. Hey, Bae. You know, go, hey, babe. And then I got Gray, 60BaeGrey. Also, I'm a rapper. No. What, rap? No. But I got my song. Hey, 60BaeGrey, the real drip. Hey, I just went to my sister's job, and a bunch of employees say they love to ride, no cap. Hey, it's kind of dark, but I'm gonna get, okay. All right, 60BaeGrey, the real drip, no cap. We out here vibing, we out here driving, we out here, hey, doing what we do with 60BaeGrey, no cap. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. You know 60BaeGrey got that real drip, no cap. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap. All you guys, all cap. I'm ripping this mic like splash, like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere here. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell them 60.
Welcome to our music family.
60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere here. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere here. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell them 60. Told you once and I told you twice. I'ma tell you again so you get it right. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. Got the sexy drip for y'all to stare. All y'all say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Cause 60BaeGrey got the real drip and the sexy lane. All the ladies say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap.
Welcome to our music family.
60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun.